Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. I say Shalom. In the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Kadash 1, Kadash the whole time. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from Reuters.com. As of November 18, 2023 at 10:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, updated 33 minutes ago, and it reads, this is a Russia launch drone attack on Kyiv, the second night in a row, Ukraine. It says Russia launched a several ways of drone attacks of KYIV early on Sunday for the second night in a row, stepping up its assault on the Ukrainian capital after several weeks of pause. The city's military administration said the enemy's UAV, which is a unmanned aerial vehicles, were launched in many groups and attacked the Kyiv in ways from different at the same time, consistently changing the vector of movement around the route. A Shirhad Protocol, head of the Kyiv's military administration, said on a Telegram messaging app. It says this is why the air raid alerts were announced several times in the capital. Popko said that according to the preliminary information, Ukraine air defense system hit close to 10 Iranian-made Shahid kamikaze drones in Kyiv and its outskirts. There have been no initial reports of critical damage or casualty, he said. Reuters could not immediately verify reports. There was immediately command from Russia. It says Russia started to carry out strikes in Ukraine's energy, military, and transport infrastructure in October 2022, 6 months after Moscow's troops failed to take over the capital and withdraw Ukraine's east and south. Over the last winter, Russia pounded Ukraine with hundreds of missiles and drones, leave millions without electricity, heating, and water during the coldest months of the year before easing assaults in the summer. This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 7. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but it shall not be yet. Mark 13, verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in divers places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning sorrows. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying from Reuters.com as of November 18, 2023, updated 33 minutes ago, and it reads, Russia launched drone attack on Kyiv the second night in a row, Ukraine. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son. And those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one could the Holy Tongue. And once again, the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, by the name of Mashiach Yahushua. And those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one could the Holy Tongue. And once again, Shalom to the Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwath. And until next time, I will say Shalom.